Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between grace period and run-out period. Both terms are commonly used in insurance policies, but they serve very different purposes. Understanding these differences can help policyholders avoid losing coverage, missing claim deadlines, and making costly mistakes. Let's explore the key distinctions between grace period and run-out period. Number 1. A grace period is extra time given to pay an overdue premium after the due date, whereas a run-out period is extra time allowed to report or submit a claim after the policy has expired. Number 2. A grace period starts immediately after the premium due date, whereas a run-out period starts after the policy expiration date. Number 3. During a grace period, the policy remains active, whereas during a run-out period, the policy has already expired. Number 4. Coverage generally continues during a grace period, whereas coverage does not continue during a run-out period except for eligible claims being reported. Number 5. Premium payments can still be made during a grace period, whereas premium payments are not accepted during a run-out period. Number 6. The purpose of a grace period is to give the policyholder additional time to arrange payment, whereas the purpose of a run-out period is to allow reporting of claims related to past covered events. Number 7. During a grace period, the insurance contract remains in force, whereas during a run-out period, the insurance contract is no longer active. Number 8. A grace period primarily benefits policyholders who have delayed premium payments, whereas a run-out period benefits policyholders who need additional time to report claims. Number 9. During a grace period, the insurer remains fully liable according to policy terms, whereas during a run-out period, the insurer is liable only for claims reported within the allowed reporting window. Number 10. Grace period durations are commonly defined in days or months, such as 15 or 30 days, whereas run-out periods may be defined as 30, 60, or 90 days depending on policy conditions. Number 11. A grace period is triggered by non-payment of premiums, whereas a run-out period is triggered by the expiration or termination of the policy. Number 12. A grace period is usually governed by standard policy provisions, whereas a run-out period is governed by claim reporting provisions and endorsements. Number 13. If a grace period ends without payment, the policy may lapse and coverage will cease, whereas if a run-out period ends, the right to report claims may be permanently lost. Number 14. A grace period is considered part of the active policy lifecycle, whereas a run-out period is considered a post-policy reporting arrangement. Number 15. Grace period terms are normally stated within the core policy contract, whereas run-out period terms are typically specified in reporting clauses, endorsements, or policy conditions. To summarize, a grace period helps keep your policy active when premium payment is late, whereas a run-out period gives you extra time to report claims after the policy has ended. Understanding both periods is essential for protecting your coverage and preserving your claim rights. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.